Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the ECO-WORTHY Cubix 148V 600Ah LiFePO4 battery kit, a massive 30.72 kWh solar battery system designed for serious home backup and off-grid setups. I've gone through expert reviews, installer insights, and real user experiences from across the internet to give you the honest take on whether this system is worth your money or just a flashy spec sheet. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right off the bat, the standout feature is the huge 30.72 kWh capacity. With 648V 600Ah batteries in one kit, this system can power an entire household for extended periods, making it perfect for off-grid living, solar setups, or backup during long power outages. Users online frequently emphasize how having this much energy storage changes the way you think about backup. No more worrying about keeping essential appliances running overnight. The LiFePO4 chemistry makes this battery pack safe, stable, and long-lasting. LiFePO4 batteries are known for their thermal stability, high cycle life, and durability, which is why installers and homeowners often prefer them for heavy-duty applications. With this kit, you're looking at thousands of cycles and a reliable lifespan that makes it a long-term investment for your energy needs. Another feature that stands out is the built-in Bluetooth. Real-world users love being able to monitor battery status, voltage, and state of charge from their phones. Combine that with active cell balancing, and the system maintains efficiency and extends the life of every single cell. These features aren't just marketing, they're practical tools for managing a large-scale battery system safely and effectively. ECO-WORTHY also includes a free 6-layer rack and 600A busbar, which makes installation easier and safer. Many people in forums and installer reviews highlight the importance of a solid rack for airflow, organization, and easy maintenance, especially with batteries of this size. On top of that, the kit comes with all 1973, UL 9540A, and CEC listings, which are widely recognized safety certifications, giving you peace of mind that this system meets industry standards for performance and fire safety. Of course, a system this large requires careful planning with compatible inverters and solar controllers, and ventilation is key to maintaining optimal performance. But once it's set up, it's a robust, high-capacity, and professional-grade energy storage solution that handles real household loads without stress. After reviewing real-world feedback, expert analysis, and installer notes from across the web, my honest take is that if you're looking for a long-lasting, high-capacity, safe, and expandable home energy storage system, the ECO-WORTHY Cubix 148V 600Ah LiFePO4 battery kit is absolutely worth considering. It's designed for serious energy needs, with safety, reliability, and practicality built in from the ground up. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.